Hi, this is lesson 14 for Burp Suite scan analysis part. So in this lesson, we are focused on the fundamental web penetration testing analysis. Last lesson we launched the scan. So after a while, we pause the scan. We can see some critical and median issue already be found for that website. So let's first see the dashboard. So in the dashboard, it will tell you how many issues. Highlight by different color. So definitely the red color will be really critical and high level of issues. Then we also have median and low. And if we choose high only, we can see there's one issue which is clear text submission of password. So in this part advisory, we can see how confident is this issue. So if it was a certain, then definitely will highlight to the management team. So okay, this is the issue detail. So you highlight the web link, then also which are the field inside the HTTP form. So you also give you the issue background as well as CVE, all the numbers. Now also tell you how to remediate these issues. Vulnerability classification also very clear here. Let's see the detail of this issue. We can see the HTTP request. Okay, so this is HTTP post. Then we can see this is a hyperlink, which is transfer all this. Okay, details. So we can see in the header. Okay. So it will tell you what are user agent and also parameters. In the response, we can see more details. So this is 200, which is successful HTTP request. If we scroll down, then you highlight the form method, which is a post method. So login form. This is index.php, so-called issues. So in another window, we launch this is the hyperlink, which is reported in the issue details. So we can see the username, password. The field will accept those parameter, then transmit over internet for the clear test. So if you view the page source, then okay. Okay, see, these are all those kind of vulnerability code. So actually, people can see the password. Transmit over internet. We also can see from the target menu, then it will highlight all details. So it's under PHP my admin, so index.php. Yeah, so it basically can see all clear text. Also the session token is also recorded here. So because it's a red color, so it's high issues. It's more important. So actually also we can see the issue, the definition here, then we can see what are the detailed description, let's say this one. Yeah. So Burp Suite actually integrates a lot of data source. So we can see more detail. Let's go back to the Burp Suite. Then in the cloud session, cloud menu, we can see the details. Okay. So number of issue and the number of requests. Then on the item, we can see. Okay, so JavaScript faces. Then also the web link. Yeah. Then the last column is insertion point. So basically, Burp Suite, when they do the scan, they actually inject some. They will find out automatically find out some insertion point. They will insert some code there to identify the vulnerability of web applications. So the insertion point, for example, some folder and the file name, they will do the insertion. Then severity level is more important because we want to see those high and medium issues. See here, this is a clear text submission of password. Then the severity level will be very high. Okay, so this is just a basic introduction of how the Burp Suite is working. In the next session, we'll discuss some topic like penetration concept, like cross-site scripting, CSRF, and other, let's say, click checking, and some like remote file inclusion. All these important topic. Okay, see you next lesson. Bye bye.